Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Medela Pump Parts is probably one of the most important investments new mothers make for their breastfeeding journey, ensuring both the effectiveness and hygiene of their pumping experience. This video will guide you through the essential replacement parts for your Medela pump, helping you choose the right ones to maintain optimal performance and keep your pumping sessions safe and efficient, ultimately contributing to a more comfortable and successful breastfeeding experience. Number 5. Medela Spare Valves and Membranes. These are genuine Medela replacement parts, made with the same high-quality materials as our breast pumps. They ensure optimal performance and reliability. Medela is the breast pump brand most recommended by healthcare professionals. Having extra valves and membranes on hand provides peace of mind. These spare parts work with many popular Medela breast pumps, including the Pump in Style, Swing, and Symphony models. Always check compatibility before purchasing. This pack includes 2 complete sets of valves and membranes. It's great to have spares readily available for when you need them. Rest assured, these parts are made without BPA. They are safe for your baby and for you. What we like? It's made of authentic Medela parts, ensuring quality and performance. Plus, it's BPA-free for your peace of mind. If you own a Medela pump, excluding Sonata and Freestyle, and want reliable replacement parts, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. These are authentic Medela parts, so the fit and quality are perfect. They're compatible with all Medela pumps except the Sonata and Freestyle. After replacing the valves and membranes, I noticed an immediate improvement in suction. It's a small upgrade that greatly improves efficiency and comfort. Having extra sets on hand is also super convenient. It makes cleaning and switching between pumping sessions much easier. Number 4. Medela Pump in Style Tubing. Keep your Medela Pump in Style advanced breast pump running smoothly with our replacement tubing. It's compatible with several popular bags, ensuring you're always prepared. This tubing works perfectly with the on-the-go tote, backpack, and metro bag. Make sure you have the right parts for your pump. Always have clean replacement parts on hand for worry-free pumping. It's essential for hygiene and peace of mind. Is your current tubing worn or damaged? Replace it easily with this authentic Medela part. This is a genuine Medela replacement, ensuring quality and compatibility with your pump. You can trust it for reliable performance. All parts that touch your breast milk are made without BPA. Your baby's health is our priority. What we like? This is a direct replacement for your Pump in Style advanced tubing. It's an authentic Medela part, guaranteeing quality and a proper fit. If your tubing is damaged or worn out, this will restore your pump to optimal performance. What people say. These tubes are designed specifically to fit perfectly with your Medela breast pump and are made with high-quality materials to ensure the hygiene and safety of your breast milk. The Medela ends have a gradual flare to fit into varying ports snugly. These were perfect replacement tubes as I bought my pump second-hand from a friend. They were exactly the same as the tubes that came with the pump. Number 3. Medela MaxFlow Replacement Tubing. This is the genuine Medela replacement tubing. It's designed for optimal performance with your Pump in Style with MaxFlow breast pump. Keep your breast pump running smoothly. Using authentic Medela parts ensures the best possible pumping experience. Always have a spare set of tubing on hand. It's easy to swap out and keep pumping efficiently. It's designed for both single and double pumping. This tubing offers flexibility to suit your needs. Important, this tubing is only compatible with the Medela Pump in Style with MaxFlow breast pump. Please check your model before ordering. It is made without BPA, ensuring safety and peace of mind for you and your baby. These are authentic Medela parts, providing quality and performance you can trust. Get the best for your breast pump. What we like? It's specifically designed for the Pump in Style with MaxFlow. It's an authentic Medela part, ensuring quality and a perfect fit. If you need extra tubing for your MaxFlow pump, this is a must-have for easy and convenient pumping. Number 2. Medela PersonalFit Connectors. These connectors are designed for your Medela Pump in Style Advanced or Symphony breast pump. They ensure a secure and efficient connection for comfortable pumping. It's important to note that it only works with the Pump in Style Advanced and Symphony models. Using it with other pumps may cause damage. You can trust in the quality and care that went into making these connectors. They are made with the same high standards as all Medela products. They easily attach to all PersonalFit breast shields and sizes, including the PersonalFit Flex. This allows for a personalized and comfortable pumping experience. Rest assured, they are made without BPA. Your health and your baby's health are our top priorities. Remember, these connectors are not compatible with the pump in style with MaxFlow, Freestyle Flex, Freestyle, Sonata, Swing, or Harmony models. Using the wrong connectors can damage your pump. What we like. These connectors are designed for a customized fit with PersonalFit breast shields. They are authentic Medela parts, ensuring quality and compatibility. If you need connectors for your pump in style Advanced or Symphony pump, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The hose attachment is in the top instead of the back. Who knew I would enjoy that setup so much more? Having several sets of these spares has been a game changer. Rather than needing to wash and let parts dry after every use, I can pump a few times a day using the original and spare parts and then wash everything in a basin at the end of each day. I save so much time by doing it this way and can see myself pumping longer because of it. These PersonalFit connectors connect to the tubes on the top, preventing any leaks when you bend over or lean forward. They are also easier to clean and I never get my valves stuck in them like I did with the standard connectors. Number 1. Medela Freestyle Flex Connectors. These replacement connectors are designed for your Medela Freestyle Flex breast pump. Keep extras on hand for optimal performance and hygiene. It seamlessly integrates with your Medela Freestyle Flex and pump in style with MaxFlow breast pumps, ensuring a perfect fit and reliable operation. They're perfect if yours are damaged or worn. This ensures you always have a clean and efficient pumping experience. This pack contains 2 connectors, providing you with convenient spares. Always be prepared for smooth and uninterrupted pumping sessions. These connectors are made without BPA, ensuring the safety and well-being of you and your baby. You can pump with confidence, knowing it's made with safe materials. Medela is the #1 breast pump brand recommended by moms and doctors. Choose Medela for quality and reliability you can trust. What we like. This 2-pack is specifically designed for the Freestyle Flex pump. It's BPA-free and ensures optimal performance. If you need extra connectors for your Freestyle Flex or want a backup, this is a great option. What people say. Works with Medela Swing Maxi and comes with the yellow membranes. So easy to clean and works perfectly. This makes hectic newborn life a little bit easier. Very good quality. Just like the ones that came with my actual breast pump, if not better. They are a different color but they work just as great. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.